Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix lag in CapCut PC. If CapCut feels slow, choppy, or delayed while you're editing, a few quick setting changes can usually make playback much smoother. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on lowering preview and performance quality so your computer has less to process while you work. This won't change your original footage, and it can make editing much easier, especially on lower-powered PCs. To begin, open the CapCut app on your computer and load into your project. Once you're inside the editing workspace, look toward the preview area. In that section, click on Playback Quality. This setting controls how smoothly the preview plays while you edit. If the playback is lagging, reducing this quality can help CapCut respond faster and play your timeline with fewer stutters. From the playback quality options, select the low quality setting. Lowering preview quality reduces the strain on your system, which is helpful when you're working with high-resolution clips, effects, or multiple layers. The video may look a little less sharp in the preview window, but your exported file quality is not the focus here. This step is simply meant to improve editing performance. Next, click on an empty area in the timeline or free space within the timeline panel. This helps make sure no specific clip is selected and allows you to access broader project or workspace settings more easily. After that, look to the right side of the screen and click Modify. This will open additional settings related to your project. From there, click on Performance. This is the section where CapCut gives you more control over how the program uses your computer's resources during editing. Inside the Performance settings, find the resolution option and change it to low. Just like lowering playback quality, lowering the resolution in performance settings can reduce lag by making the program work with a lighter preview version while you edit. This is especially useful if timeline playback freezes, skips frames, or becomes slow when scrubbing through clips. Once you've changed the resolution to low, click Save to apply the changes. After saving, go back to your timeline and test the playback again. In many cases, you should notice smoother performance right away. If you're still seeing some lag, give CapCut a moment to adjust after the settings change, especially in larger projects. That's it. By lowering the playback quality and performance resolution, you can make CapCut on PC much more responsive and easier to edit with.